As today we talk about how can you enable payments and subscriptions notifications on your OK app. We go to figure out this solution on your how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to the CPR. Then all you have to do, just click here on notifications here on screen, click on it. Then you come to the disappear. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down here. You come here to other notifications. So then you go down, come here to payments and subscriptions, click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.